Integration errors on Expensify can disrupt your workflow, but they can often be resolved quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix common integration issues. Step 1. Check connection status. Ensure that your Expensify account is properly connected to the third-party application. Go to the integration settings and verify that the connection is active and not showing any errors. Step 2. Review API keys. If you are using API keys for integration, double-check that they are correctly entered in both Expensify and the third-party application. Make sure there are no typos or outdated keys. Step 3. Update software. Make sure that both Expensify and the third-party application are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, integration issues arise from using outdated software that is not compatible with each other. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try accessing Expensify from a different browser or device. This can resolve issues caused by stored data that may be interfering with the integration. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Expensify's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the error and any steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Expensify quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.